Come back the mask. Come on, no, nah. Come back me here now. Come now. Come now. Come on here.
Yeah. So many girls in this world, but to me you're the finest.
My guy, have now. Guy, don't sit down now. Guy, na me now. Now your guy. I be your guy now. Nah, guy, come now, guy. My guy, hey, go for me small. Back. Guy, you know
Find out there, so you say get the pango, get the pango, get the pango, get the pango, German the pango, the pango. See that day when you shy, that day.
No, next time. See, and you dey get customer pass me. Guy, wetin I go do now?
Oh, you dey get customer pass you.
I dey tell you.
Get past him.
I don't want get
past. You are in the right place, my brother. I have this drug that I will give to you. No, it's still I have one of 2.5, the one of 1.5 and the one of 15 naira.
Nah, guy, man, see the one of 2.5, I bet.
One of 2.5, but this is it. This one, you just rub it in your hand and lick small of it. Your problem is over.
But this one too cost. This one too cost.
I have one of 15 naira.
But your man see that one of 15 naira.
15 naira. Even 1.5. You don't.
Let me see that 15 naira.
See it here. What you have to do is just before you go to shop, just lick it.
When they talk to me,
I'm telling you the truth. When you just get to shop, just lick it.
So if I do this thing now, I go to get customer.
Sure. If anybody come.
One day now you be
my
there.
Money, give me my money first.
Nah, true. Nah, guy, where that money they say?
My guy, you always take my time. I have people to attend to.
Yeah, wait. Now you be
just look at it. If any customer talk, just talk to the person.
Not only that. Nah, thank you. Now God, now you carry you come here. Now
God, now that you don't worry.
They try to play us. They play themselves.
I don't go.